Hamza Ali, Mohammad Ali Khan, Mohammad Kubaib, Affan Iqbal, Arsalan and Yasir Ahmed Khan for group debate.
We all are standing here to speak on debate topic. So examination have two sides. Examination help us, but not in all conditions. They have some limitations. And examinations have two phases. So first, what does examination mean? Examination are supposed to check our real knowledge, what we have learned, to understand the concept, how much we have understand the concept and how well we apply the concept ideas. In theory, exams are not supposed to check. In theory, exams are supposed to check our knowledge and skill. But they really do that? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. To start this conversation, I would like to introduce my team members and So behind me they are standing Yasir Ahmed Khan, Aslan Chaudhary and Mohammad Kubaib, which are going to introduce all the advantageous points. And on my right hand side, there are Muhammad Ali Khan and Amir Hamza Ali, who will introduce disadvantages. So now, Aslan.
Welcome everyone. Today I am here to tell you advantages for exams. So exam encourage our regular study. That when student know a test is coming now, so they prepare lessons and practice question and try to understand topic more. And pressurize. Then this stress stops them to show their real abilities.
Give teachers a clear picture of who needs extra help and which topics need more attention.
And now I would like to call Amir Hamza Ali for one more disadvantage.
Disadvantage. These are the creativity because they do not measure the creativity because the exam only tests the writing and the skills like imagination, communication, and the problem solving go often and it is unnoticed.
Aslan Chaudhary for one more advantage.
One more advantage of exams is that they build discipline and time management. Preparing for examination teaches student how to plan or organize work and how they focus on their study and what will be the result for that.
Jazakallah Aslan Chaudhary. Now I would like to call Amir Hamza Ali for one more disadvantages.
So now one more disadvantage is that marks do not always show the true potential because a student who is good at arts, music, teamwork may not traditionally shine in the traditional exams.
They create a sense of challenge. Sometimes pressure can motivate students to do their best.
Jazakallah Yasir Ahmed Khan. Now I would like to call Muhammad Ali Khan for one more disadvantage.
One more disadvantage can be given like they encourage the exams, encourage the rote learning. The students know that today, the upcoming exam, they only memorize the things. This is not called the true learning. The true motive and the science behind that, they are not learning.
Jazakallah Muhammad Ali Khan. Now I would like to call Mohammad Kubaib for one more advantage.
They help students learn to face competition. In real life, we face interviews, big assessments, competitions, and many big tests. So, exam prepare us for these big competitions.
Jazakallah Muhammad Kubaib. Now I would like to tell one more disadvantage that one bad day can ruin the results. It means how much the student learned, that doesn't matter. If a student has squeezed the book and learned every point mentioned in the book, it doesn't matter. Because if the day he is not well, he is sick, he is feeling anxiety, the whole paper will be not going as good. He will be feeling down. Thank you. And now I would like to tell that our exam are two tests of real knowledge. So the answer is not simple. Exam test some type of knowledge, but not all. They measure how well we perform at a particular time under specific conditions. They show some of our abilities, but not all the whole picture. Real knowledge includes understanding, creativity, confidence, and the ability to solve problems in real life. Exam do not always show these skills. So what can be improved? To make exam more meaningful, schools can use projects, presentations, group activities, practical tests, and continuous assessments. This method can help teachers see what students truly understand. And to call Muhammad Ali Khan for the conclusion.
can be stated as exams are useful but limited. Exams, they help to check the progress and build confidence and encourage studies. But whereas they also create stress on students, regular assessments. And in my opinion, exams can be the school can take exams with merging the exams with other methods, which the real judgment cannot be taken on the basis of marks. It is the real judgment should be taken on the understanding of the student and ability of work. Jazakallah.
Jazakallah everybody.